Hello friends, today I am here to share my experience and demonstrate for you a small experience to how to make a wall hanging basket, and we can use it as a pot. As you can see my the ingredients of this basket, you can see a hook with three clips, and these are simple chains, three chains. They are equal size, approximate equal size, and you need a plier, a screwdriver, and these are the small mats. You can also use the cocoa peat sheets, and this is the replacement. I also have the cocoa peat sheet. You can see I can will you later tell you how you can use it, and this is the second option. You can also use it. You can see the inner side. They are the kitchen mats. You can use it mostly it is used for the cleaning purposes. And this is a steel basket with the three hooks. You can see this is one hook, this is second, and this is the third hook where we can attach these chains. Okay, so we will start with the preparation of a wall hanging. So what we will do, we will take this hook and we will attach these chains. We will put all these, the corner of these chains in this hook. Okay, you can see this is the hook, see, and we will put the chains, the corner of the chains, simply in this hook. 1, 2, and this is 3. And with the help of the plier, we can close the end of this hook. Okay, now you can see we can close the end with the help of the plier. And this is closed. Now these all three chains are in this one hook, and on the other side of these chains we will put these clips. Simple, so simple. One, this is the second end of the chain. I am putting the clip in the second chain. This is done, right? And this is the third end of the chain, and I am putting the clip in this chain. Done, right? So all the three chains are hooked, both ends are hooked, right? Now we will put this in the basket. We'll attach these hooks into the basket. Now these are the three attached hooks. I will just simply attach these hooks in this hole, right? You can see this end of the hook. I can just press, and I will just put that end in this basket, and it is hanged now, see. And I will, the second hook, I will press it and just put it in the end of the second basket. See, it's so simple to make a hanging basket, and it is hanged. The two ends are hanged, and I will take the third one, and I'll hang the third hook of the basket, and it is done. So you can see my basket is hanged. See, the three ends are booked. See, and now these are simple sheets. See these simple sheets which are used in the kitchen for cleaning purposes. You can place them. So your cocoa peat or whatever material you are using to make the basket, you can use it, and it doesn't flow from with the mix, or it will not flow from these holes, the big holes, and it will give a layer. And you can also use the cocoa peat layers. These are also available in the market. I have given you the option. You can use these cleaning layers, the cleaning mops, wipes, and this is the cocoa peat sheet. You can also cut it and place it in this basket. Thank you, friends. Please keep sharing, and please do inform me in the comments and subscribe me and help my channel, help me to promote my channel. Thank you. Bye bye. See you till then. See you in my next videos. Bye bye.
I can't forget the day we met. Your eyes so blue, me piercing through. I can't forget the day we met. Your smile so bright, it made me swoon. Our love is like a summer's day, hot and endless in a magic way. Whenever I see you, all I can think is my summer love. Been waiting for you, my love.